Hide folder merge conflicts. Hide protected operating system files. Launch folder Windows in a separate process. Restore previous folder Windows at logon. Show drive letters. Recommended. Show encrypted or compressed NTFS files in color. Show pop-up description for folder and desktop items. Show preview handlers in preview pane. Show status bar. Use checkboxes to select items. Use sharing wizard, recommended. When typing into list view. Hide folder merge conflicts. Hide protected operating system files. Launch folder Windows in a separate process. Restore previous folder Windows at logon. Show drive letters. Recommended. Show encrypted or compressed NTFS files in color. Show pop-up description for folder and desktop items. Show preview handlers in preview pane. Show status bar. Use checkboxes to select items. Use sharing wizard, recommended. When typing into list view. How to search. Don't use the index when searching in file folders for system files. Searches might take longer. When searching non-indexed locations. Heavy checkmark includes system directories. Include compressed files, zip, CAB. Always search file names and contents. This might take several minutes. Restore defaults. Formats location administrative. Format. Arabic, Egypt. Language preferences. Date and time formats. Short. Date. Long date. Short time. Long time. First day of week. Examples. Short date. Long date. Short time. Long time. YYYYMMDD. DDMMM YYYY. HHMMTT. HHMMSSTT. Additional settings. Cancel. Apply. Computer name hardware advanced system protection remote. You must be logged on as an administrator to make most of these changes. Performance. Visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. User profiles. Desktop settings related to your sign-in. Startup and recovery. System startup, system failure, and debugging information. Settings. Environment variables. Visual effects advanced data execution prevention. Select the settings you want to use for the appearance and performance of Windows on this computer. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Oh, adjust for best appearance. Oh, adjust for best performance. Oh, custom. Animate controls and elements inside Windows. Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Animations in the taskbar. Enable peek. Fade or slide menus into view. Fade or slide tooltips into view. Fade out menu items after dicking. Save taskbar thumbnail previews. Show shadows under mouse pointer. Show shadows under Windows. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Show translucent selection rectangle. Show window contents while dragging. Slide open combo boxes. Heavy checkmark smooth edges of screen fonts. Smooth scroll list boxes. Use drop shadows for icon labels on the desktop. Control panel home. Check for updates. Change settings. View update history. Restore hidden updates. See also. Installed updates. Add features to Windows 8.1. Windows Update. Checking for updates. Most recent check for updates. Updates were installed. You receive updates. For Windows and other products from Microsoft Update. Map network drive. Disconnect network drive. Open Sync Center. Folder options. Control panel home. Manage your credentials. Create a password reset disk. Manage your file encryption. Certificates. Configure advanced user. Profile properties. Change my environment. Variables. Make changes to your user account. Make changes to my account in PC settings. Change your account name. Change your account type. Manage another account. Change user account control settings.